Hello, my name is Donna Mandich. This is the video portion of my application for part-time remote paralegal. To begin with, I would like to speak to two elephants in the room. The first is I'm probably older than many of the applicants for this position. That actually works in my favor because you can see, and it is indeed true, that I have many years of experience doing this. The second is that I am indeed sitting in a wheelchair. I'd like to go to the first question now. Your first question is whether I'm comfortable writing legal briefs and affidavits. I am extremely comfortable creating both. In terms of legal briefs, I've been doing them for 20 years. I have also experience in appellate briefs, in memoranda of law. I am an expert legal researcher. I'm able to get the case law that you need to bring your point to bear and to brief it concisely and persuasively for the court. In addition, affidavits. It is one of the reasons why I love family law. And this is direct client contact, being empathetic towards the client's story, being able to replicate that story concisely and, most importantly, persuasively. I have a tremendous amount of experience doing that. I started doing affidavits actually in personal injury law, and that was in 2003, thereabouts, and I've been doing them ever since. So yes, I'm comfortable with that and have the requisite experience for that. Your second question is, what experience do I have in legal research? I am, as I've said, an expert legal researcher. I research in multiple jurisdictions. I can research internationally. I have 20 years of research experience behind me. I have been researching for my own companies for at least 20 years. There is nothing that you would need that I would not be able to find. I'm experienced with Westlaw, Lexis, Case Text, Fast Case, every conceivable legal platform that you can think of, I've already used. Also, I'm a consummate internet researcher. If I can't find it, it's pretty much that it's not there. So yes, I'm very comfortable with legal research. Your third question is, am I willing to interview clients in person or on the phone to create affidavits? As I've said in the answer to the first question, it is one of my primary delights in family law to work with a client and to make sure that they are understood, that their point of view is replicated, and that their story is told in the most persuasive manner that it can be legally. And I love doing it. I'd be happy to do it over the phone. I'd be happy to do it in person if that were feasible, but because I'm in New Jersey, it would probably be teleconferencing. I'm quite experienced at teleconferencing and have no problem doing that at all. Your next question is if I am willing to work part-time for 20 hours or less. This is not my primary source of income. There is no question that I would be happy to work part-time, 20 hours or less, and there is no conflict of interest in what I do. I only work with one client at a time. I'm happy to devote all of my time and my resources to one firm only. I do not take multiple clients ever, and I'm looking for a long-term relationship. The last family law relationship that I had with a solo practitioner lasted over 6 years, and it was interrupted only because the attorney was forced to take a medical leave of absence. Otherwise, we would probably be going right now. So yes, that fits my needs exactly. And the last question is, do I have any familiarity with OneDrive? Actually, I run Windows 7 Professional. OneDrive is included in that program. I do have familiarity with it. If I update my software and I am lucky enough to get this position, I would certainly make sure that anything that's contained in the package is exactly what your firm needs. I thank you for the opportunity to answer these questions and to give you a little bit of indication as to who I am. Thank you and have a great day.